So I've been getting a lot of comments on my YouTube channel about when am I going to start putting up build videos, and why am I only putting up videos from Blizzard Bash. I had an unbelievably fun time at Blizzard Bash, and honestly, it was probably one of the best demolition derbies I've been to. The atmosphere, the people, the friends I met. I never been to Kansas before. It was kind of a huge eye-opening experience for me. I really enjoyed it, and I want to share my enjoyment with you guys. So that's why I'm putting up all those videos. So I haven't been building anything because it's the dead of winter. COVID is going crazy here in Ontario. They've already canceled more derbies here in Ontario for 2022. They're starting the lockdowns again. I can't eat in restaurants again. Stuff like that. So there's no real news on the derby world. They are announcing some shows, but again, this is going to be like last year. I'm kind of a little excited because there's some new promoters. Some of the old promoters are talking about a unified rule system, so that's kind of got my attention, but I'm not going to start building anything yet until the rules are set in stone, so I won't be stuck with cars that are cut short that I can't run anywhere except pro cars. So that's the derby world, and let's go to my work. I've been working 10-hour midnights 6 days a week, so I pretty much don't know what I'm doing. Like the time right now is 3:40 in the morning, and I am wide awake. So my wife is inside sleeping. It is, I think it's Saturday night, because I work Sunday to Friday. So Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night, and then I'm off Saturday night. So I'm wide awake, and I've been sitting on the couch watching TikTok for the last 2.5 hours. So I decided to come out here and do a little bit of stuff on this. I got a fire going, so I'll probably be out here about 4 or 5 hours. Why am I not filming anything about this Tacoma? I'm enjoying working on this this truck, and doing the stuff. Yes, it's making me upset. There's some stuff that's happening with this, like the steering is getting on my nerves. But I kind of filmed everything with the 2JZ project, and I really did not enjoy the 2J, and I think it was a deterrent by posting the videos, and they were only getting like 130 views, and I didn't really feel like a lot of you guys were enjoying watching the 2JZ Lexus build. So I kind of really want to enjoy doing this truck, so I'm not really posting anything I'm doing because I want to take my time. I want to enjoy it. Some of the things we've done is we've pulled out the factory Tacoma rear end. We've put an Explorer rear end. I've got the axles machined down. I got an AEF pump in the tank. I got sway bars, everything put into the back. I got the 4L60 in it. I got a automatic transmission selector sent to me from Saskatchewan. I got a fuel pressure regulator. The headers are being my issue. I got the whole front end of this thing switched out to Corvette LS3, LS7 parts. I have a Gerb shop. This guy here, I'd highly recommend. He does derby and street vehicles. I did get a street harness. I'm just fine-tuning it and getting everything mounted. Comes with its own fuse panel, so shout out to him. Great service. I got AN lines, 6 AN lines ran right from the tank. I have all the pump modified. This has been a huge project, and there's still so much to go. The thing does not even have an oil pan on it because it's been ordered for 2 months now, and it's still not here. I ordered it November 31st or November 30th or something like that. And we are January something, and it's still not here. I think it's the 20th. I just showed you the date. 23rd. Yeah, it's the 23rd, and it's still not here. But yeah, I'm really enjoying working on this, and that's why I'm not posting it. I want to enjoy this. I don't want to have to worry about the cold and try to make videos in the cold, so I'm just letting the camera die. I actually specialty charged it just so I could talk to you guys about this. The headers, I am having one heck of a hard time with the headers. I brutally massacred this one just to figure out it wouldn't work. The stainless ones, I've tried heating and bending. Still, they're not going to work. So I'm trying to figure out what to do. I'm probably going to have to build some type of my own header to get around the steering on this thing. The steering is the issue. That is the issue. So we're going to go from there. I'm going to try to come up with something tonight for it. Once I figure out the driver's side, passenger side's easy. I can buy any type of header pretty much for the passenger side. I know it's stupid, but I honestly think the Hooker turbo manifold might be the best one for this, but then just not run a turbo. But I don't know. I can't get any measurements of stuff online, so we'll have to see. But we'll figure that out when the time comes. But the problem is that when you do headers, they're so wide and they all hit the steering. So I need to find something that's much tighter. But yeah, I'm going to probably try to order some stuff online. If not, try to build something here and then go from there. But that's pretty much how this thing's going. I'm taking my time on it. I'm kind of really enjoying it. The amount of money I put into this compared to the JZ is pretty much nothing. I think I'm maybe like $3.5–4 grand into this thing when I'm like 16 into the JZ. So it's all coming along though. I'm having fun, and I really do want to drive this thing this year, and I really appreciate you guys kind of sticking with my channel. I got a little bit more videos of the Blizzard Bash to come up. I didn't watch the finals because we were trying to get back to Canada, but everything was went really good there. If you guys are ever thinking of going to a derby in the US and you want it to be one that's super memorable, if you're driving from Florida or somewhere like that far away, I'd highly recommend Blizzard Bash. Get there Thursday. Watch the heats. The heats are amazing. It sets the attitude and the adrenaline for the entire weekend by getting there Thursday. So make sure you get there Thursday, guys. But thanks everybody for watching. When the snow is gone, because like I said, it's 4 in the morning, and it's negative 30 degrees outside here. Look at the snow. There will be more derby videos to come. So thanks everybody for watching, and more to come. And hopefully when this thing's done, we'll be doing some crazy burnouts and stuff like that. I do have sway bars in the back, and hopefully this is going to be a super fun and an enjoyable truck. So thanks everybody. There's the update for 2022, and there's some new cars to be built I've been buying, so we'll have to see how this goes. So stay tuned everybody, and take care.